Hey guys, I'm going to review our letters that we have learned so far, okay? The letter I, capital I, lowercase I. I is for our Indian friend. He was sitting at the table and Mom fed him yucky veggies and he said, eh, eh. He said, ooh, see that silly face right there? Look, here's another one. Eh, 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 because I says eh, eh, eh. All right. Next, let's look at the letter U. Capital U, lowercase u. U says, is for umbrella and it says uh, uh, uh. Good. This is the letter E. Capital E, lowercase e. E says eh for elephant. And he said, come here, baby elephant. And the baby said, eh. Next letter is the letter A, capital A, lowercase a. A is for apple. Little boy bit into an apple. There was a worm in it, and he said, ah! O, capital O and lowercase o is for our ostrich friend. He said he had a sore throat, and he went to the doctor, and the doctor said, say, ah. Ooh, the letter T, capital T, lowercase t. T is for the boy who was so hungry he was sitting at the table waiting for Mommy to finish her yummy dinner. And the clock was ticking so loudly he heard t, 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 t. And he was so hungry. So T says t, t, t. Good. Our next letter is the letter L, capital L, lowercase l. L says L for lamp. Running through the house and bump into a lamp. Oh no. Brother came in the room and said, oh, you're in trouble. Oh. B is our next letter. Capital B, lowercase b. B says B as in bell because Mommy and the little boy were in the store and he had a bell and he was ringing it, ringing it, ringing it. And Mommy said, stop ringing that bell. And he said, B, 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 but I want to. B says B, B, B. Next is the letter M. Let me move me out of the way. This is the letter M, capital M, lowercase m. M says for milk. Hendry really wanted some milk. She's going, I want the milk. Miss Hendry finally got her milk. She was taking a milk bath. And she said, this milk is good. This is the letter N, capital N, lowercase n. N says for nest. There was a baby bird in the nest. And the mommy bird, there's Miss Hendry looking at the birds. Their mommy bird said, come down, baby bird. And he said, mm. He did not want to come out of that nest. He was so scared. The letter R, capital R, lowercase r. R says for ring. Miss Hendry was out being a pirate, and she found a treasure chest with a ring in it. Uh-oh, but a yucky pirate showed up, and he said, give me that ring. He said, because R says, All Miss Hendry said, All right. The next letter and the last letter we're going to review in this video is the letter H. H says for horse, for the crazy horse who was hyper. He was wild, running around the pasture. Oh, and he fell down. And Miss Hendry walked up and said, are you okay, Mr. Horse? And he said, he was so tired. All right, see you later.